see property prices, we see 20 million, 30 million, we see 1 million US, 5 million US. What goes into this valuation of a property? Are some of these numbers just made up out of nowhere, or is there a process to come up with these numbers?
Well, yeah. The valuation surveyor, he will have different methodologies that he will use to arrive at a value. In terms of residential properties, what we generally use, or the approach we generally use, is called a comparative approach. This is where we use like with like. So we'll try to find properties that were similarly sold, and then do a comparing of the two assets. As it relates to commercial properties, we look at the rate of return. We look at the rental income, right? That rental income is capitalized, and then it gives us an estimated value. For special type of properties, and which I love that you highlighted in your presentation, special type of properties is like churches and cemeteries and stuff like that. And what you have to use is what we call a cost approach. Now, this approach generally takes into consideration the comparable approach as it relates to the land component. But with the building component now, we would consider what is the cost to build it. And then we would depreciate for different factors. For example, the location, the age of the building, if the building is obsolescent in certain ways. And so there are different things that we consider to depreciate the building. And then we add the land value with the building value and arrive at a total overall value. But that is solely for special type of properties.